Just wanted to make a short video on a way I've discovered to dismantle pallets without destroying the wood. I had some stuff delivered today on these nice large pallets and it seemed a shame just to cut them up, so thought I would try and recover the wood. Now, I've seen all sorts of devices available to buy to dismantle these, but I've only got 2 of these pallets, so I didn't really want to buy anything. But I have got a nice sturdy garden fork here and 2 blocks of wood. A bit hard to do this one-handed, but if you lift the fork up and put the blocks of wood under there, so it sort of lifts on the middle bit. Sorry about the bad video. And then just lean down, it lifts the planks up quite nicely like that. And it's quite quick to do when you've got both hands. I'm doing it one-handed holding this camera, but yeah, useful tip I thought. And I'm going to dismantle this one and the other one I've got and reclaim the timber, run it through my thicknesser and clean it up. Be good. Thanks for watching.